I'm already running late. Now I'm about to house my toast because literally I'm starving. But before I have to check my plan for the day because we have lots of things to do and there is only so many hours in a day, so I should probably get started. I'm already running late, like in 10 minutes I have to be out of the house. I haven't even eaten up my toast yet and I have to change my clothes, etc. And so I hope we can still catch the train. And according to the plan, we also have to prepare the lectures. So the day just started and I'm already running late, but I will still find the time to watch a Christmas movie while I'm eating my toast. I'm already running late, like in 10 minutes I have to be out of the house.
Achtung, Zugeteam. Halten Sie Abstand von der Bahnsteigkante und betreten Sie den gekennzeichneten Bereich hinter Hauptbus zu.
While I was getting cozy, watching The Grinch and enjoying my bruschetta, it hit me. The year is slowly coming to an end. This year, I overcame my fear of starting a YouTube channel and found the motivation to keep going, all thanks to your incredible support. Now, let's see what surprises 2025 has to offer.